I'm Patty, and this is Little Red Southern Kitchen. Today we're going to be making a 4-ingredient instant pot barbecue country style ribs. This actual recipe calls for 4 pounds of ribs. I have about 1.5 pounds because there's no way I'm going to make that many ribs for me and Tony. And you need 1/2 cup of barbecue sauce. I'm using Sweet Baby Ray's honey. Usually I get the Vidalia onion. And you need 3/4 cup of Coca-Cola or Dr. Pepper, something like that, Mr. Pibb. And then you need barbecue rub, barbecue seasoning. I thought I had some. Unfortunately, I don't. So what I'm going to do, it's going to make it a little bit more than 4, but if you have barbecue seasoning, by all means use it. And I'm just going to take these. Now I'm using Montreal steak seasoning, the little bit that I have. And actually you're just supposed to put 3 tablespoons in there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put these in there. I did put the Montreal steak seasoning on it. We're trying out a new tripod Tony got me today, and it's actually kind of cool. It goes up to 6 foot, 66 inches. So it's 1 inch taller than me. Okay, I'm going to add some dehydrated onion. Minced onion. Some smoked paprika, which is in the barbecue seasoning. And, of course, some granulated garlic. Alright, I'm going to put the Dr. Pepper in. I'm making it basically the right amount of sauce, but not as much meat. And the barbecue sauce. And these are boneless country style ribs. So alright. If you wanna I don't know if you want to show them how it looks in here. Stir it around a little bit. I am, after they're done, I'm going to stick them on in the broiler, under the broiler, so they get crisp. Here's your Nikita. Alright, and you just want to do it for 35 minutes. Oh, good Lord. "35 minutes, and then you want to do a 15-minute natural release, and then if it's anyway, do a quick release, and we'll bring y'all back at that time. Alright guys, this cooked 35 minutes, and I did a 15-minute natural release. What I'm going to do now, oh God, this is not going to be easy. Hold on, let me get a potted spoon. They are falling apart. I am going to stick these under the broiler for about 5 minutes. Alright guys, I'm back. I ran these under the broiler for like 5 minutes. I basted them a little bit, like I said before, but they are falling apart, so. I ain't even going to attempt to use tongs or nothing on them. because they will fall apart. And all we've got is I've got some angel hair pasta with Parmesan. I got it from Aldi's. And then just some peeled peas with snaps, and I put some fat back in it. To season it, I have to season, use seasoning meat, any kind of use. Cook certain vegetables. I wanted to announce, even though I just started again, I was trying to do videos every single day, and I got really burnt out on it. So I'm back to my original normal schedule. I'm having videos up every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 2 p.m. Alright, our 4-ingredient Instant Pot country style ribs are ready. I want to thank you for joining me. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have y'all in the family. And leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Share it out on your social media. And give me a big thumbs up. Alright guys, supper's ready. I'll see y'all later. Bye.